Risk management is essential to successful project delivery. With Proggio, you can identify, track, and manage risks across your entire organization, from portfolio-level visibility down to individual tasks. Let's take a look at how it works. We'll start by configuring your risk framework. Click the cogwheel icon in the bottom left to open your space settings, then navigate to Customization and select Risks. Here, you'll see 4 customizable tables that define how risks are managed in your workspace. First is probability, how likely a risk is to occur. By default, Proggio includes 4 levels, from rare to almost certain, each with its own score. Next is severity, the potential impact if the risk does occur. These range from negligible to severe. Then there's impact, which combines probability and severity into a single risk level, color-coded from low to critical. Finally, the risk impact summary shows how probability and severity work together. For example, a rare risk with moderate severity results in a low-impact risk, clearly shown in green. All of these values are fully customizable, so you can align Proggio's risk framework with your organization's standards. Now let's zoom out to the portfolio level. In the portfolio map view, any project with active risks is marked with a red triangle icon. This makes it easy to immediately spot which projects need attention. Switch to List View for deeper insight. Here, you'll see the number of active risks, risky tasks, and associated prevention and mitigation actions for each project. Hovering over the risk indicators shows a breakdown by severity with the highest risk level clearly highlighted. Clicking on any risk takes you straight into the relevant project, so you can investigate and act without losing context. At the project level, risks are managed directly on tasks. Tasks with active risks display the red triangle icon. To add a risk, open the task properties and enable the risk toggle. Inside the Risk tab, you can define probability and severity, with impact calculated automatically. Add comments and create, view, and track prevention and mitigation subtasks. Risks move through a clear life cycle, from identified to active to issue if they occur, and finally mitigated or resolved. In the project's list view, the Risks section gives you a consolidated view of all risk-related tasks, including impact levels, statuses, and any active prevention or mitigation actions. You can also create dedicated subtasks for risk management, marking them as prevention tasks to reduce the likelihood of a risk, mitigation tasks to minimize its impact if it occurs, or as risky subtasks in their own right. To visualize risks even further, use dashboards. Search for risk in the widget selector to access charts, tables, and heat maps, available at both the project and portfolio levels. Just choose how you want the data displayed, pick the project, click Save, and the widget does the rest, showing you all the risk data you need. With Proggio's risk management, you get full visibility from strategy to execution. Identify risks early, monitor them continuously, and stay in control throughout the project lifecycle. Proggio, risk management that keeps you one step ahead.